I'll do a song by Race Germaine. I was born on the land, beat to have some sky. Roamed on the plains, on the fat. My daddy a king, my mama swore the free. Mighty proud, I think. Well, daddy, he spoke French, mama, she so I talk shit, a little mixed bone. But turn it I can walk, that's all that I can talk. And I'm mighty proud, I think she alright. Well, deep inside I know that I'm special. How my mama looks and daddy's too. I am the best boy, you'll always hear me boast. Mighty proud, I made tea. Well, mama realized nation need nation never rise when we were in between. Well, I got my daddy's looks, my sister loved the free. We're the best fools. Well, mama told me to ride, alright, daddy too. Hold your head up high, don't you ever bend. It'll be a long, long road, you'll carry heavy load. You're the best fool, you'll be easy, alright. Well, deep inside I know that I'm special. Have my mama looks and daddy's too. I am the best boy, you'll always hear me boast. I'm proud, I made tea. Yeah, I am the best boy, you'll always hear me boast. I'm proud, I made tea.